Hello everyone, I'm just so excited to share with you this very powerful cleanse of mine that cleanses out toxic waste from your system, toxins mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal issues, bad fats. Like, it tackles and cleanses your system real good for utmost health, beautiful body size, and equally clear skin, as all toxins will be out and your skin will be so beautiful from the inside out. So in order to come up with this recipe, plus utmost health, which is very important, once those toxins are out, your health is guaranteed, because toxins cause all the sicknesses and diseases here. So the first ingredient I use is purple cabbage. This tackles most especially bad hormones in your system, causing hormonal issues. Plus it is equally a very powerful cleanser, detoxifier, very cleansing to flush your system out. So what you need is a bowl. You can store the remaining for next time. You just need a little bowl of this, and the next ingredient will be hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus, dried hibiscus, very cleansing and detoxifying as well, very medicinal to cleanse your blood, cleanse your organs, leave your system at the utmost level from the inside, flush all those bad stuffs in your system, making your organs slow at working and slowing the fat burning process. Plus it will cleanse you and leave you very healthy and with beautiful skin as well. So you need just a bowl of this, a little bowl of this, and you're good. Like a handful is enough. So it's a handful. This is it. Wash and make sure you just rinse, so you don't you don't know who touched it before selling. So make sure you rinse, and that is it, set aside. The next very powerful antioxidant to add in here is pepper. So I'm using this red pepper, very good source of antioxidant. I use a lot of antioxidant in my cleanses because they help to fight the effects of free radical, causing issues like cancer, all those diseases in the system. Antioxidants, if you have good levels of antioxidants in your system, you are very at the utmost level of having that good health, and we are having this through these peppers. So I'm using half of the red pepper. Slice the sizes you want and you're good to go. So we can't do a deep cleanse like this without adding some little garlic in here. Garlic is very cleansing and detoxifying, and trust me, the other ingredients will overpower the smell of the garlic. You will not feel it, but we need it in here. We need this little garlic in here for that powerful cleanse. Like this deep cleans your system and leaves it very clean, and you flush all those toxins, bad fats, waste, and this promotes weight loss as well, most especially belly fat loss. So that is it. 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb size of ginger as well. Ginger is very fat burning, helps to, because it has anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to relieve bloating, constipation, all the bad gases out of your system, promotes fast metabolism. Like, it improves your metabolic rate by heating up your system. It is a thermic food. So this is it. Chop up into some good little sizes and you're good to go. This recipe is for everyone for utmost health. Even if you're looking to burn belly fat or to improve your health, like, this is so good. So this is the ginger and the garlic in there. I'll be adding some citrus fruits. I need the benefits from the peels, very medicinal and cleansing as well, plus the juice from them as well. Like, everything will just go in here to make this thing very powerful. Lemons are very good, most especially the peel of the lemon. Everything in here will just make this so powerful. And I love adding some grapefruits, but if you don't eat grapefruit, that is fine. If you have lemon in there, there is no need for grapefruit. I always add in grapefruit because for flavor, it is very fat burning, but if you have lemons, you can always substitute with the grapefruit. But I love the flavor, plus it has its own unique benefits as well. Very cleansing, promotes fat burning, and really very healthy as well, unless it has an interaction with your medication also. So yeah, this is the one lemon and grapefruit. Now my ingredients in the pot: the handful of cabbage or a bowl of cabbage, handful of hibiscus leaves, half a red pepper, thumb size of ginger, 3 garlic chopped. In case you miss the ingredients, that's why I'm repeating them, chopped, and you put in your pot, then you follow with your grapefruit and your lemon. Yeah, so this is it. Put everything in the pot at once. Let's get all the benefits from the peel. Everything just mixed up together in here. Very medicinal, very good for your system, very cleansing. I can't reiterate enough. So you put 6 cups of water in there, 6 large cups of water, so it infuses the benefits from these ingredients to come up with your tea, your very powerful cleansing tea. So this is it. Just close up your pot, put on the fire, because that was hot water. I'll just boil on low heat for 10-15 minutes and I'm good. You don't need to do it for long if you boiled your water. So this is it boiling after 15 minutes, and now it is time for me to leave it to cool down a little bit, and you'll see what I want to do. So once it cools down a little bit, the next thing you want to do is to use your spoon or something to kind of like match the ingredients to really get infused in here and make the tea even more powerful. Because if you take it out this way, most of the benefits are still in some of the fruits. So this is what I mean. Just get something to kind of match and get the juice or from all your ingredients get infused in there. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so this is what you do. And once you get this is the size of the cup, a mason jar. 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach. That is when you want to do this cleanse, on an empty stomach, and last thing at bedtime. Those are the best times you want to have your cleanses. They work best that time, early morning on an empty stomach, so no food or oil interrupts the process, the cleansing process. If you do it after eating, you will just be helping the food you ate to digest. But if you drink it on an empty stomach, it tackles the toxins and the bad fats in your system and works even faster. I hope you get the trick. If you want the results, well, just start. If you do it in the evening, you should have it at bedtime and the next day in the morning, or very early in the morning you can have it, and in the evening you have the remaining. So this is the remaining in the pot. I just leave it there in the pot. At bedtime you can go ahead, heat it up a little bit. It's okay to heat it up from your pot. Scoop the amount you want to drink, go ahead and drink the next day. So it is kind of a 2-day deep cleanse. This will take you for 2 to 3 days depending on the quantity you drink. This takes me for like 2 days, and the 3rd day I can just add in some more water and just finish up the whole thing. So but the intensive cleansing is 2 days. Yeah, so this is something you want to do at least twice a month. Twice a month you do a cleanse like this, and trust me, you are fighting any form of bacteria culturing in your system, causing sepsis, other kinds of diseases, and cleansing all those bad hormones in your system, mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal imbalance, bad fats staying in your system, making you always have belly fat and leave your belly really down. Yeah, so feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.